Okay. As far as choosing my original course, I remember being a kid going, man, you know, I'd really want to be a part of like the game world, and being one when when a hard hitter video game came out, I always wanted to be the one to be like, I did that, I was a part of that, or I was involved with that. Yeah, so that's really what had me choose a video game course. I mean, I went to school for architecture originally because I really do like houses and things like that, and seeing how things are built and the all the intricacies that go with it. But it comes down to a video game, and I didn't realize until the last like 4 or 5 months. I was like, I want to get back into the video game world because that's what I want to do. And our program director, his name is Jameson Durrell. I did not know that this man was a lead director in EA, and played a I played a lot of EA games growing up, at least. Not so much now because I'm assuming since he left, EA has not been the same. Um, and when I'm going back to and I'm looking at the different type of software that we use, I mean, I haven't seen too much, even going through the degree programs. I haven't seen too much about the particular software that we would be using. I mean, but I can only imagine we'd be using things like Unreal Engine or Cryware maybe, or even because I'm in the actual design part of it, I probably wouldn't even put AutoCAD or anything like that past it. Um, and as far as the programming languages, scripting and technical writing, I'm pretty sure that's going to be pretty huge. My hardest class that I think I'm going to run into would be scripting. Yeah, because that's brand new. It's going to that's more of my brother's side of the field. I mean, my brother, he and I both are into IT, but he's more into the software, the all the everything that goes into a network. That's him. Me, I'm more on like the hardware. I'll put the computer together. I'll I'll get all the different parts and make sure it's put together properly. I'll let him handle the software stuff. So scripting, that's gonna be brand new to me. I think that'll be my hardest class. Um, my easiest class, my easiest class might be um, my easiest class that I take. I don't know, man. All these classes seem pretty difficult. I actually gotta go to work right now. Hold on. Let's see, my easiest class that I would take might be level design. Actually, might be level design because it sounds like the class itself isn't too different from what I took in some of my architecture classes. I mean, I had to take civil a civil class, and that was more along the landscaping side of it and developing different roadways and like the different roadways and how to actually have. So I the level design classes themselves might be pretty simple for me. I mean, that's right up to what I used to do when I was in college first time. And in the hard classes, the only thing I can think of that would help me out to make sure that I do well is to actually get in touch with my brother, because my brother had all his different certifications and everything. I mean, he took them all, so I think I would get in touch with him. He would probably be the only one that can break it down in a way where I can understand it. Other than the teacher, I mean, as long as I get in touch with the teacher and some of the other students that are in the class with me, I mean, they might be able to teach me a different way. But if I can't get in touch with any of them, the only other one I could think of would be my brother. because he did all this already, and it might be a refresher for him, and then he might be able to show me some things that he did to make it simpler for him. And to make sure my time, I mean, as of right now, we all have nothing but, right? And to break down my time, I mean, I do work out a lot, and I do like little side jobs. So I guess I could put some things on the back burner because nothing is more important than school anyway. So I mean, I guess because I have that mentality, there's really nothing to think about when it comes down to breaking down my time. I mean, I never thought of like, hey, I'm in class, so let me, not do this. It was always, I know, hold on, I'm in class, so this needs to go on the side, that needs to go on the side. Once I finish my schoolwork, then I can worry about doing this stuff. But until then, I mean, I just don't have that mentality. My father raised us with school and then everything. So, I mean, I really don't know what to say as far as breaking down my time. I mean, but that's it. That was my little, I guess, not vent about school here.